Good morning, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So today we are going to do this create a transaction security policies as a part of enhanced transaction security module. And if we go inside, we will see we should be able to enable this transaction security policy and what we can earn from this challenge is 500 points, which is what we are looking for. And also we should be able to, okay, one more thing important, friends, is to create a new trailhead playground for this, because uh, what might happen is because of creation of this policy, we I mean if we set up an incorrect login event policy that might block as a real-time action logs out of our org. So to prevent this from happening in an org, basically a new trailhead playground is recommended. So for example, so here we are going to use the condition builder to define and enable and disable our own policies. And from as mentioned here, from the setup, we are going to type the transaction security policies, and we are going to enable it. We are going to create a policy. Yeah, so with the help of condition builder, and then we also basically we have to write some policies. For example, an event. What event you want to have, like a report event, and then in the condition logic, let's provide the all conditions are met. And so in the condition field, let's you can put a value like so for example, if more than 10 reports are more than 10 reporting events uh, are 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 processed, then you should if the more than 10 reports are exported, then you want this policy to be active. And as you see here, rows processed greater than 10 and operation is equals to report exported. And then you want basically you want to block it. And then you also want to have a email notification. So you click finish, and then your policy is updated. And if you see here, editing, I mean we are just making sure that more than like more than 10 report exports are not allowed. um, Now suppose there is a requirement came which wherein you want like more than you want to block a report where there are more than 1,000 rows. So for that you need to update your policy, and you need to make as rows processed as 1,000. And then you basically go ahead and enable your policy, and you are done. So let us do this challenge in our own Trailhead and see how we can achieve this. So friends, let us go to our Trailhead ground, and let us put transaction security. And if you see here, transaction security policies has came up. And then let us see, we actually want to enable this. So let us enable this transaction security, and let us create a new transaction policy. If you see here, condition builder has came up. So basically we want to use this condition builder, and we want to name it as uh, so basically we want to name this event as a report event. And let us see, and let us see the conditions. What they have mentioned is condition logic is all conditions are met. Yes, all conditions are met. Condition as rows processed, and we want the rows processed greater than or equal to 10, greater than or equal to 10. And then we select the condition operation equals like we add a condition, and we see like equals operation equals report exported. So we want the report exported here, and we want the action as block. Now we'll go to next, and the action we want is basically to block it. And also we want to have a email notification. We want to say email notification, and so basically we will write a letter like um, a report has been downloaded multiple times. And then what we do here is choose a valid user and prevent. We name it as like a prevent large report download. So, and we'll put the same content here, and then we will make the status as enabled, and we will quickly finish this report. And if you see here, this has been enabled, and now we will see that whether we are able to earn this 500 points or not. And this will be interesting to find out. Okay, it's taking some time. And here you go, friends. Woohoo! You secure the 500 points for the enhanced transaction security module. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And